Long ago, in a magical kingdom, there lived 4 princesses, who each ruled a season. Princess Winter made the snow sparkle bright. Princess Spring filled the air with flowers and butterflies. Princess Summer shined with the warmth of the sun. Princess Autumn painted the trees with golden leaves. But one day, the princesses argued over which season was most important.
Snow keeps the world safe and resting.
But flowers bring new life.
The sun gives warmth to everyone. And leaves bring harvest and rest.
The sky grew stormy as their voices clashed. Just then, a gentle light appeared. It was Princess Harmony.
My sisters, each of you is important, but only together can you bring balance.
The princesses listened carefully.
Snow gives rest.
Flowers give hope.
The sun gives strength.
And leaves bring change.
Together, they placed their hands in Harmony's light. The storm faded, and the land became peaceful again. The princesses had learned the power of unity, and so, the kingdom lived happily ever after.
Unity makes us stronger.